Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the OTLOOMTBT brand two-piece plier set. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, give you a little bit of the details and test them out and let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
All right, so as we get these open, I just want to point out a couple things. First of all, it's very tightly wrapped, which is a great thing. It is a two-piece set, so maybe a little difficult at first to get out. And so once you get them open, I do want to just showcase a couple key points here. First of all, I want to just show you the flat side. So I intentionally am going to let you see that it kind of shines because that's going to be your flat area. And then same on the little ones. So again, this is a two-piece. Get rid of the protective film, and you'll see again that nice little flat surface area, which is great. Really nice grip on both of these, and spring loaded, so that's obviously pretty important. These are really good for cutting, wires and stuff like that. Up to a certain point, there are certain things that it just absolutely can't cut, but they do come pre-oiled, so that's nice. I don't know if you can see the shine on my fingers just from rubbing in here. They come pre-oiled, which is nice, and extremely sharp. So just showing you the cutting capabilities real quick. Just you can hear it. It's a smooth cut, very straight line. Again, whether you're cutting network cables or you're making jewelry or whatever, give you size-wise, they're really great little pieces to have and store with your tools. So to me, totally worth buying. A lot of value here, very affordable. I love a good affordable product, and these are right on target with that. So hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.